What's up YouTube? We're over here today at Your Motive Performance, my only shop I go to here in South Florida. You can see here, got my car here, got Miguel's F80. That thing is so nice. But today I'm going to be installing a new rear diffuser, and I just want to make a video on it. Nothing too crazy, just a quick one. So let's get into it. Also, don't worry, I'm doing a video today on washing my car. There's construction next to my apartment complex. You can see it's so bad. But I want to give you guys an idea of what the car looks like before. You can see here I have these exhaust tips, which I am changing, but they do stick out pretty far. And there's just kind of a gap around the top here, and I don't know, I want it to go away. So here's the diffuser that I purchased. You can see here it's not like 100%, but this is something that sits underneath the exhaust. You don't really see it. It'll actually sit here. So, you know, if you look at it close, it's not the best, but when you look at it from far away, it's just a good accent piece, and I think it should look pretty good. But yeah, we'll see. We'll test out the eBay quality. As long as it looks good, I'm cool with it. So this is just test fitted right now. We're gonna go ahead and form everything to the bumper. These were the original mounting spots, but they never drilled any holes. So we just made 2 holes in there. So if you look right here, we drilled holes in the diffuser because the original diffuser did not come with holes in these mounting points. So they're going to mount up to the factory mounting points right here. And what happens is it should tuck right in there and pull it tighter to the actual bumper. So it should pull it much tighter. And then we drilled 2 holes right here, which will help the bumper kind of form a little bit better and fit much more snug. Much better. It fills up that gap that's there too. And now I feel like the car looks much more aggressive, especially with having a GT4 lip, and I have canards and side skirts coming, so the back end of the car is looking much better. The car is so dirty, man. I gotta wash this thing. Oh yeah, the carbon looks really good in the sun. We just did a quick little adjustment to the exhaust tips so they're a little more flush, which I am changing these, but that's it. Carbon fiber rear diffuser. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on making the video cleaning my car. Like I said, Your Motive Performance. If you guys need anything, check them out on Instagram, hit them up. They have a really nice shop and they do pretty much everything you need as far as performance and maintenance. So more of this car coming soon. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Peace.